eto da so na akoyi amobi ni nyina no yemfa ne saa sanse saa na etie se yɛtase ne sɛ bɛsipa ne nkoni na haban na anɔpɛyi nkɔmɔ ɛwɔ hɔ ne sɛ ma mimisa question wei sɛ wawie suku na wopɛ adwuma anaasɛ wawo ba watete no de na kɔ suku a ma na wie nsɔhwɛ a wɔsɛ watwa nsɔhwɛ no kama they say waba abɔnten you say he's coming to the job world and a job market enti waba abɔnten no ɔbɛpɛ adwuma ayɛ yɛwɔ nnwuma bi a wɔsɛ aban ɛna fa nnwuma no ɛno no ɛyɛ aban asɛdeɛ sɛ ɔfa nnwuma no sɛ teaching nursing nom sɛ wɔbɛkɔ aban ɛyɛ school na wowie a aban afa wo adwuma yɛwɔ bi wɔ so a wowie school a kyɛ sɛ waa na wɔatwerɛ application na wode atini akɔpɛ w'adwuma ayɛ enti yɛka brɔfo bi sɛ placement ɛhɔ a yɛ sɛ aban no bie portal no ɛno nti woyɛ kyerɛkyerɛni woyɛ nurse ni a kɔ na kɔ platform no so na kɔ apply na aban ɛmfa w'adwuma placement yɛsɛ aban no abie ɛyɛ portal no for placement na hwɛ sɛ yɛbie portal no for placement na platform no wobɛkɔ so yɛsɛ platform no yɛsan akoloso no adan a enipa aban no yɛ sɛ wobɛfa no yɛakoloso no aso ayɛ ma enti no yɛakoloso no na bɛbunu no abrante anasa ababaawa no ato no adwendwen na afei ɔhwɛ baabi bebree oluku elsewhere sɛ bɛyɛ a obetumi anya adwuma ayɛ no fault of abrante no anasa ababaawa no ɛne sɛ obetena fie na mmom system no saa na akɔyɛ ɛnɛ wohwɛ graduates a ewie school every year you see between 100,000 and 200,000 every year so you can imagine the backlog of emrante ne mabawa omutifia omunya adwuma nyɛ na woyɛ parent a you will be worried about sa ɛyɛ trendy ɛno nti ebisa ɛho sɛ ɛdɛn na ama na base aban no sika a ɔde ɛyɛ ɛfa adwumayɛfoɔ no ɛtɔ da yɛse aban no ni sika a ɔde bɛtua ka clearance yɛse ɛyɛ ministry no any clearance because sometimes sika aban de bɛtua ka no yɛ ana bibi ɛwɔ hɔ but opportunity ni ba sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛfa babuno anaasɛ ɛyɛ abranteɛ bi ɛwɔ ɔman mu anaasɛ ababaawa bi wɔ ɔman mu ama na kɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ sɛ opportunity ni yɛ open to all without any discrimination na nneɛma bi akɔ so a yɛ ɛdi ka ɛwɔ sɛ yɛka ho asɛm ɛne sɛn Jeff Mr. for infographic ne to soma me ɛduru sɛ mmerante no mɛba apɛ adwuma a wobɛte yɛse ɛyɛ recruitment scam and to hear that's a graphic online. Also, woman allegedly defrauds 26 applicants of 675,000 in military recruitment scam. Unsuspecting people, vulnerable youth. Yeah, omo nim ni omo beye omo pay adwuma ye nti omo desperate for jobs. Na obi a take opportunity. Na what swindle omo wa bu omo afaso 26 applicants of 675,000 in military recruitment scam. And then military nko so many sectors in this country. And I'm just using this as a pointer at the Akansembia Chokeke. It's as a tiabre bebre abai biaba ekoso. And who be sound who say employment ministry no what Juma is saying. What is the work of the employment minister and the ministry and the minister? Ya ye pound say on share eye adwuma semso ya o adwuma ne sen ye nti mabunu ebre wo man Ghana musa wo adwuma ne sen wo adwuma pa ne sen 26 applicant na de tell say it is true say ye won kofo bi a wo hye baabi agigi sika na wo fa amanfo adwuma enti wo ho a na obi afrew ye wo opportunity wa ha o utua seya yebetima ma wadwuma ye na mabru no obi a oni adwuma ye de obedi krampo oni no na wakɔpɛ baabi sibosian po na akɔbɔ ebi gi as much as 20,000 30,000 Ghana cedis na ɔde akɔma nipa baako sɛ ɔma na adwuma nye na de tie ne sɛ enipa no ɛfa agi nipa bɛ 10 sika ebi a nipa 5 pɛ and betima go through 5 na aka no na wo musim buboduam na sika no akɔdi baabi basa Uba nipa na tia wadi yetine da yetine every day natie Ala Hassan Suhini or a member of parliament Tamale North or Kansembi FSA military can say recruitment scam no say teachers, whether it's military, say police, whatever, every sector, say nursing scammer ekosono slaughter MPs airton, slaughter politicians airton. And the MP no in any ashe organizer. MP no in any ashe full soldier bi or constituency ho. Je na franco for no mometo. Omo talk no mu tresi kana. Wo share wo mu. It is going on. We can't deny this fact. Adia ye di ye mabunu e wo man makacha so man enyi mabunu ho. O man in the future. O man na mobo because of what we are doing to our future generations. Natie Alasa Suhini, Nasamo Kai, Tiwi.
People who have completed since 2001, 2002, who remain unposted. Yeah. And now the sad part of it is that there are stories of how people in authority, in government, are selling some of these placements. They are selling it. Yes.
What does that mean?
What happens is that people have to pay, in some cases, 60,000 Ghana, 70,000 Ghana.
To do what?
Before they are placed in a health facility to provide health care. Sometimes I am told, you know, the general explanation usually is that, oh, they do the placements according to year groups. And so they have done placement for, say, 2020 or 2019. So those who have graduated in 2021 should wait. They will be placed later. But I've been shown evidence of people who graduated even last year, but have
gotten placement.
Yes, have paid
and
money.
Who are they paying?
Some people who pose as, you know, people in government connected to the powers that be.
What's the nature of evidence you've seen?
Payments, text message payments, and placements actually given. You know, and so it is sad.
Okay, Sweeney, Medasipa. Alasa Sweeney say, our evidence are HSA ebinimutia as much as 30,000, 70,000 for a job. A brantia will be a school. Ya open juma. Now Okofa says ka we wahi. Sabusiampo na Okoba. Is it fair? 30,000, 70,000. What's it okay, you know? And I mean, I am just corroborating what he said. Say, people, top people within government, 60,000 Ghana city, 70,000, 30,000. Na di obi agye say Fabra na me ma wadwuma nye. And he said it. Say, top people, he mentioned MP. Some MPs are selling them. Woman, you woman, Yashenko who can't send Tessa. Who can't or send Tessa. Now, or can say, Nina Swan say, or text messages as evidence at HSA. People are paying those monies. Now, Yamra Fiani Mehadi. Text messages are Yay, Jinaswa, yes, we can asem. Text messages are yes, we Jinaswa. Yansu Yadi Kayasem. Sanko Phobi Jaman Fosika. So omo adwuma ye na nka adwuma no po wo jimpo na omo adwuma ye mpo anka nya ya Jeff ye text messages ni bi text messages are amanfo gina so e de e kasa omo asem amanfo gina so a suhini gina so e de kasa asem yi no yeso ye wo text message a yeso ye gina so na yeso ye de ka yeso yasem yeso ye de ka asem he text message ni bi ni the cost associated with the process is 9,570 and are required to make an initial deposit before the starting of the process. 9,570. And you are required to make an initial payment deposit before the starting of the process. Where a text message you? Yeah, will be just send you be. Share so names of applicants and amount they paid. Just say nipa bebre na etwetwa ono a ono oje say sika no o ma evidence e kire say nkofo bi atua waye bia ma omo with impunity onsuo mfarimpo esa the text message e kana sem tie ne number nyina numbers nya ka ho na he edi no eni uko Facebook a ho Temo Frederick ne number near otua 12k edu Enoch ne number near otua 5k Ophelia owie otua 5k Andrews Baswa otua 4k and one line in up just to convince the person say who this can ba ubenya adwuma ye na yeti krom ha say na say ye ton job placement. That is why one institution, one officer be besinne me hu say useless public sector reforms. One institution I mean who say useless public sector reforms, because any power he was my bosom friend, a father, a brother, and I know what he said. Say oko hono ade oko akoye. What he said on radio, what he said about Sanema Ekosono. Enuti say me jino one of the officers Abagan has say under the former government, Nando Danko Akufo-Addo administration. Aya public sector reforms. Me personally, me say one of the useless officers are buying no power. What reforms and a course? What reforms and a course? We have not reformed anything. And that's so cost people pay for admission into schools. Where we are school, so we have transferred here for employment. And look at Sanima Ekosi. How do they get access to the employment ministry? How do they get access? Who give them that opportunity? No wonder. Al-Hassan Suhini say, top government officials, those who have power, me kahubi. Me kahubi ana. Na yanko Kenya Mukai in 2016. Enti me jina de bi hu ana bibisa mo say neba ne saying Kenya as ye ne omo wona bi say in 2016 independence celebration 59th and anniversary. Now I got show you brochure so say Ghana's president is Uhuru Kenyatta. Kenya, the same thing is going on there in Kenya. The same thing. And I to Kenya. And to Kenya no I had to say I say any more bibi any more twaka bi say. Tie Kenya so dia ekoso honum. Africa tie wenso.
Members have been receiving teachers' employment forms and selling them to desperate Kenyans seeking teaching jobs at a whopping 400,000 shillings. This is according to National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula, who disclosed that the MPs do so after receiving the letters from State House. NTV senior reporter Duncan Kayemba now reports on the teaching jobs for sale scandal that has irked qualified teachers who are yet to secure jobs with the government.
Enti utia brante yasema casta yasema na say one more qualified pass and come adwuma no kwa omunya opportunity because womu ni sika ditua. Enti obi owo pepa owo competent pa nko betumi achira de pa no onye sika ntuante no yemfa na adwuma. And it's going on also in Kenya. Do we have something in common? And then MPs doing that over there, MPs doing the same over here. And then what do we have in common? Me say masem no Al-Hassan Suhini neka. Na ninyina so a original so kasa or evidence of text messages. Miss me di biachre. What are we doing to ourselves as a country? What are we doing? One day the youth will arise. One day the youth will arise. Yansha niema ye because enchima e will be kachre. Me da say. Eja tuato G money na asoya sia ye de bro